XL48 that has ever graced our showroom and benefits from the following custom upgrades. Beautiful custom paintwork carried out by Johnny's Customs in Truro, 17-inch ape handlebars. Stage 1, screaming eagle breather and leads. Vance and Hines shortshots. Tank lift kit. Custom twin seat. Sissy bar. Side-mounted plate. LED front indicators. LED rear light assembly. And side-mounted leather satchel with fuel cell. Stunning from every angle. The money that's been spent on this machine cannot be overstated and is available for a fraction of the original build cost. Anyone who has undertaken such a build understands there's way more involved in building a bike of this quality than just simply swiping your credit card. Easy to get wrong and so hard to get right, the bike hits the spot from every angle and is perfectly proportioned. The bike enjoys a full service history. 4 services, last serviced at 4,500 miles, and will undergo our pre-delivery inspection prior to sale. Service owner's manual, 2 alarm fobs, 2 steering lock keys are present. All our bikes are delivered with a minimum of 6 months MOT. As always, for the best viewing experience, please visit our showroom to view and appreciate the condition of the bike and our own website, uniquewheels.com, to enjoy over 40 high-quality images and a video that forms a huge part of the description. 7 working day nationwide delivery is available on this bike for £168. Open Monday to Friday and Saturday mornings by pre-arranged appointment. Part exchanges are always welcome, so please talk to us today about getting the best price possible. HP and PCP finance available. A user-friendly finance calculator can be found on our website, which features remote apply and off-site signing. For more details of this and all our bikes available, please visit our website, uniquewheels.com. Meanwhile, thank you for watching and please remember to like and subscribe to view our past and upcoming videos.